Welcome back to Abem Quiz. Ready to test your brain with 50 tricky riddles? Solve them fast and no cheating. Let's go. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have nobody, but I come alive with wind. An echo. The more you take, the more you leave behind. Footsteps. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? A candle. What has keys but can't open locks? A piano. I go up and down the stairs without moving. What am I? A carpet? I'm full of holes, but still hold water. A sponge. What has a head, a tail, but no body? A coin. What can run but never walks, has a mouth but never talks? A river. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? A bank. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The letter M. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? A candle. The more you have of me, the less you see. Darkness. I touch your face and then disappear. What am I? Breath. What can you catch, but not throw? A cold. I have one eye but can't see. What am I? A needle. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Fire. I am taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case from which I am never released, and yet I am used by almost every person. What am I? Pencil lead. What has many teeth but can't bite? A comb? I can be cracked, made, told, and played. What am I? A joke. What has cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water? A map. I can travel around the world while staying in a corner. What am I? A stamp. The person who makes it, sells it. The person who buys it, never uses it. The person who uses it, never knows they're using it. What is it? A coffin. I have hands but cannot clap. What am I? A clock. I'm always hungry. I must always be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. What am I? Fire. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Light. I turn once. What is out will not get in. I turn again. What is in will not get out. What am I? A key. I'm sometimes white and sometimes black. I can make a king lose his crown. What am I? Pawn. You'll find me in Mercury, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter, but never in Venus or Neptune. What am I? The letter R. What has 4 wheels and flies? Answer. A garbage truck. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? Silence. I have a neck, but no head, and wear a cap. What am I? A bottle. What goes up but never comes down? Age. I have no life, but I can die. What am I? A battery. If you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't got me. What am I? A secret. I am taken before you get it, and I show who you are. What am I? A photograph. I am taken before you get it, and I show who you are. What am I? A photograph. What building has the most stories? A library. I am always in front of you, but can't be seen. What am I? The future. I get wetter the more I dry. What am I? A towel. I begin with T, end with T, and have tea in me. What am I? A teapot. I can be long, or I can be short. I can be grown, or I can be bought. What am I? I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Wherever I go, darkness flies. What am I? A cloud. What has a ring but no finger? A telephone. I am always hungry. I must always be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. Fire. I am a word of letters 3. Add 2, and fewer there will be. What am I? You can hold me in your left hand, but not in your right. What am I? Your right elbow. What has roots as nobody sees, is taller than trees. Up, up it goes, and yet never grows. A mountain. I touch your face and then disappear. What am I? Breath. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. 2 in a corner, 1 in a room, 0 in a house, but 1 in a shelter. What is it? The letter R.
Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.